FIFA World Cup by 2050. My co-founder, Kogu, and I have been involved in football across all levels, from the grassroots through to the professional and international level. And this, combined with our experience and achievements in less than 12 months, means that with the right resources, tools, and advice, we're unstoppable. Currently, the sports coaching industry is a highly unregulated and cash-based industry, with poorly managed and underpaid coaches. The coaches that we interviewed often felt burnt out and undervalued, whereas parents, players, clubs and schools often were left to make do with poor coaches due to a lack of information about who would be the best match for their specific needs. Often this would mean spending thousands of dollars annually only to feel frustrated and cheated by the end of the season due to a lack of objective feedback or key metrics about what the specific improvements were, whether for individuals or teams. So this is why we developed the Treiner.com.au online platform, a marketplace that enables you to find, compare, rate and book the best coaches for your specific needs. A search engine with a fully automated booking and payment process that enables you to search for the specific coach that you want, where you want, all the while reducing the friction for both the player and the parent. For the coach, we have an easy-to-use backend that enables you to manage and promote yourself online as a top coach. This is fully integrated with social, bank, calendar, and blog integrations. And this is what separates us from our competitors. Our aim is to focus on automating the processes for both end users, as well as being totally online. Not only that, but we market the individual coaches, service providers, and businesses themselves, not just Treiner. Our previous MVP had more than 250 coaches nationally and 400 players using the platform, with 70% repeat bookings. Our new platform, which has been released tonight, consists of more than 1,800 coaches in our coach database being onboarded. Our current business model is simple. We take a 10% marketplace fee, and we also have other revenue streams such as SaaS and premium listing fees for coaches, as well as partnerships with other football product businesses. The Australian market itself consists of more than 1.9 million players, and in the 16 to 13-year-old age group, 1.1 million of those are expected to be serviced by more than 30,000 registered coaches. If we look at the Victorian market alone, it is estimated to be worth more than $50 million per year annually. And when you take into consideration the $2,000 to $3,000 per year spent on club or academy registrations, and adding on extras such as futsal, camps, overseas tours, injuries such as visits to a sports scientist or sports medicine professional, this starts to add up. So we looked at other markets as we look to expand internationally as well as domestically, and similar markets to Australia are the US and New Zealand, where football isn't the #1 sport. And we also looked at other markets in Southeast Asia where it is, and the key markets were Singapore, Hong Kong and Malaysia, which have similar metrics to Australia. In finishing, I have a simple ask. We're looking for a CTO, obviously to help us with a current platform that's just been released. But if anyone has any interest in football, sports tech or marketplaces, please see me after. Thank you.